DJI is back again, and this time they're making waves with the all-new Air 4. It's sleek, smart, and packed with features that have drone fans talking. But here's the big question. Is it truly the sweet spot between power and portability? In this video, we're diving deep into everything the Air 4 offers. From its new flight performance to upgrades in camera tech and tracking, we're going to see if it really earns its place in DJI's legendary lineup. Whether you're an experienced flyer or someone looking to start your aerial journey, this might be the drone that gives you exactly what you need. So stick around, because here at Technify, we break it all down in a clear, honest way. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a drone update or review. Now, let's head into the skies with the DJI Air 4. DJI has always managed to strike a careful balance between serious performance and travel-friendly design. With the Air 4, they're continuing that tradition while pushing things even further. One of the most exciting upgrades is the extended battery life. This drone is expected to offer up to 46 minutes of flight time, which gives you a lot more room to breathe when shooting. No more rushing your sessions or landing too early, just smooth, uninterrupted flying. Another standout improvement is the upgraded transmission system. Early feedback suggests the Air 4 can fly up to 15 kilometers away while still maintaining low-latency video. That's great news for both casual users and FPV fans, as it means better responsiveness and clearer live feeds even at long range. Design-wise, the Air 4 keeps DJI's familiar foldable, lightweight body, built for travel, but with a few refinements. It's rumored to feature stronger materials and a more aerodynamic shape. This should help with durability and improve how it handles in rough weather or unexpected bumps. Plus, a redesigned gimbal might make stabilization even better. Whether you're flying in wind or tracking fast action, your footage should come out smooth. Now, let's talk about what content creators will love. The Air 4 seems perfectly positioned for vlogging, cinematic shots, travel videos, and more. It's simple enough for beginners to use right away, but still powerful enough to satisfy more advanced users. You won't need loads of extra equipment or hours of setup. Just unfold, launch, and start capturing. Rumors also point to a new 1-inch sensor in the camera system. That means sharper images, better low-light performance, and improved color accuracy. If you're filming during sunrise or sunset, this could make a big difference. On top of that, the Air May 4th support video up to 5.4K at 60 frames per second, which gives you plenty of room to play around in post-production. And there's even buzz about a dual camera system with both wide-angle and telephoto lenses, giving you more creative control in every flight. But that's not all. The Air 4 is expected to work seamlessly with DJI's latest accessories, including the newest goggles and remote controllers. Support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 might also make file transfers faster and app connections more stable. If you're already using DJI gear, adding the Air 4 into your setup should be easy. And if you're new to the brand, it's shaping up to be a very friendly starting point. Flight features are another area where DJI tends to shine, and it looks like the Air 4 will raise the bar again. Smarter Active Track, possibly version 6.0, could mean better tracking of people, bikes, and cars. Omnidirectional obstacle sensors are also expected, giving the drone full coverage when navigating around trees, buildings, and other challenges. There's even talk of a new Follow Me Plus mode, which may help the drone stay locked onto a subject, even in complex terrain. For users who don't want to worry about manual controls, these features could make capturing epic footage almost automatic. What makes the Air 4 especially exciting is how it packs these professional-level features into a small, travel-ready package. It's not just for filmmakers, but filmmakers can absolutely get amazing results with it. And for hobbyists, it offers a big leap forward in what's possible without adding complication. In short, the Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded drones in its class. It brings big upgrades in battery life, range, camera power, and user experience. DJI seems to have taken everything they learned from previous models and applied it here, creating a drone that's versatile, reliable, and ready for just about anything. And that wraps up our full look at the DJI Air 4, a drone that's getting a lot of attention for good reason. With longer flight times, a more powerful camera system, and smart tracking tools, it really looks like DJI is pushing the limits once again. If everything we've covered holds true in real-world use, the Air 4 might just become the new favorite for creators and drone fans alike. Whether you want to capture epic views, follow fast-moving scenes, or just enjoy smoother flights, this drone checks all the right boxes. Thanks for spending time with us here at Technify. We're always here to give you honest, straightforward insights into the latest tech and drones, so you can make smarter choices. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what excites you most about the Air 4. Don't forget to subscribe so you're always up to date with the newest drone reviews, comparisons, and deep dives. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep your eyes on the sky.